Jesus loves the little children, all the children of the world. Red and yellow, black and white, all are precious in his sight. Jesus loves little children of the world. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all your friends. And you subscribe yet? Go and go do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right, sir.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 18 from verse 10 to verse 14. Make sure so you no look down upon none of them little picnic. Cause me telling you this, them have them own angel in a heaven. And for them angel way in a heaven, I see my Father face all the time. When you think, suppose somebody have 100 sheep and one of them lost. Him now go left the 99 on the mountaintop and go look for the one we lost. And if him find the sheep, me I telling you this, him happy about the 99 when they in tree. But him would have more happy about that one there when he find back. I see him so when a Father way in heaven, no one then little one ya. Figure 3. A God Word This. Thank you.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.